Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know a lot of you have been wondering,
where you been?
but that's just for a whole nother video so I can let you guys know what I've been doing, what I have been up to, why I haven't been on my channel like I'm supposed to. I just wanted to get back up here, start reloading, uploading more content on my channel, and just pretty much getting back to what I love, and that's makeup. It is grind mode right now. Like, I don't know no other way to explain it, but it's grind mode. Like, that's what it is. So for today's video, I wanted to do a autumn look for you guys. As you know, it's October. I am completely excited. I love this season. I'm a summer baby, but I am in love with fall. I'm in love with the change, the colors of the leaves. The temperature goes down. It's not so damn hot. I just can't do the summer. It's hot. Like, it's just too much. I can't. It's hot. I wanted to do a fall look because I love the deep browns. I love the oranges. I love all the different fall looks that you can make with those colors. I wanted to do a simple look for you guys that you can wear daytime, nighttime, anytime, and you can do it because I said you could do it. Fall, you're allowed to wear a smoky eye, no matter the day. It's fall. So tell them that I said that you could do it. I already put foundation on my face. I just wanted to let the foundation sit. I used the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the matte poreless foundation that I use. And this is in the shade Warm Honey. I've been using this foundation for years. Literally, I have been using it for years. I use this brow pencil. It's from, I don't know if you can see the words on there. It's Item. It's called Item. It's a Brow Chow Ultra Fine Brow Definer. And this is in Deep Brunette. Okay, so I did my brows, as you can see. Not too much, not too extra, just filled them in. The concealer that I use is the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer. The best concealer in the world. This is in Warm Nude. These cute beauty blenders that I got from, they were actually a Valentine's Day gift from my mother-in-law. So she gave this to me. I thought it was so cute. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using a palette that my boyfriend got me for Valentine's Day. He got me like 4, but they were like different shades, and I was just trying my makeup for my birthday one day, and I saw one of the palettes was perfect for like the fall. It looks just like this. This one, it has different quotes on it, and this one says Low Key Love You. It's from BH Cares. I don't know if that's big brand or small brand, but I was really surprised at how pigmented the eyeshadows were, from the solid shades to the glitter shades, shimmer shades. It's really truly pigmented, like all the way. All the different fall colors. I don't know if you can see it. There it goes. I thought these are really cute for the fall. So they have shades like Maybe Baby, DTR. What the hell does DTR mean? Bay, my fave, Catching Feelings, No Status, 143, Crush, Currently Casual. First thing I'm gonna do is start the base of my shadow. I'm gonna go in with this palette, and I'm going to use this shade in the corner to start off with. This is Maybe Baby. For the next color, I want to go in with my fave just to brighten up the base a little bit, give it a little bit of life. And I'm going to go in with this a little bit more in-depth blending brush. And this shade is called My Fave, in the corner right here. Now I'm going to go into my outer crease and move it towards the middle of my eye. So I'm going to take this other blending brush, and I'm going to go in with this Currently Casual in in the bottom corner right here. Now I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, and this is the Bay shade in the corner. This is this one right here. Now, to bring everything in, I'm going to go back in with the brush that I used for my base, and I'm going to go back into the base and just go at the top of my lid just to bring everything all together. For my lid, I'm going to go in with this flat brush. I'm going to go in with this 143 in the corner right here. Next, I'm going to go into eyeliner. My favorite liner for wing liner is the NYX Professional Makeup eyeliner. I love it so much. I need to get a new one. This one is still good, but a lot of ink be coming out. One time, all of that shit went in my eye. I was so mad. I got this new contour palette, True Complexion contour palette, and this is from Black Radiance. So it looks just like this. For blush, I'm gonna be going in with my favorite blush. This is from Tarte, and this is the Party Dress 12-Hour Blush. My brow bone, I like to do these cute things for the brow bone. I use this Dido Galaxy shade that I got from Ipsy, and this is not for resale. Look how sparkly that is. Look how sparkly that is. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this Beauty Shop flat brush. Not like a, it's like a eyeshadow brush. And I'm just gonna go on my brow bone just to highlight it a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. You can probably see it. And then just to lighten it up. And then most times I like to take it and put it in my inner corner too, as well. In my inner corner, I'm gonna take this Shaneeka Cosmetics eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to apply it at the bottom. I'm going to take Casual and maybe Baby together. Next, I'm going to be putting lashes before I put my lips. And these are just some regular lashes that I picked up in a drugstore. Look just like this, like wispies. And then to put them on, I'm going to be using my Strip Lash Adhesive Lash Glue. As we wait for those to dry, we are going to start prepping the lips. I prepped my lips earlier, but I'm going to do it again. I'm going to be using the Morocco Magic. This is the Argent Essential Oil Lip Balm. And this is pure coconut. This is cute. Like, you unscrew it and then you just push it up and it comes out. How cute is that? So I know you didn't see the setting powder. I did my setting powder off camera because I like to sit and bake, and I just didn't want to waste time on the video baking. So I just went ahead and just put that on. Okay, so my camera died. So I went ahead and put my lashes on. What else did I do? I put my lashes on. I didn't want to skip a step without you guys, so I just put my lashes on. So for highlighter, I'm going to be using my favorite highlighter. This is Ofra and Nikki Tutorials. I need to get more. I haven't hit pan yet. As you can see, there's still like a lot of, you know, highlighter left, because like I said, I hardly do my makeup, you know. So next I'm just gonna put my gloss. This is just like a regular gloss situation. It's just like a regular gloss, not nothing like fancy, but it's just like a regular gloss. That is pretty much it for this look. Ooh, one of my lashes was trying to come off. No, you gotta stay on, sis. So this is pretty much the finished look. Not too extra, not too much, but I think it's just the lighting that makes it look like, but you could see the colors there in my eye. So my lash is really trying to, it don't want to stick today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be having a whole lot more videos in store for you guys, so stay tuned. I really hope you like this. Like, my hair looks so flat, but you know what I'm saying, I don't give a fuck. And as always, I appreciate you guys so much for still taking the journey with me on my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.